Everybody's got a product that they need to get to market. Most of those products get to market in some sort of corrugate box.
It's very, very important, the packaging industry. It has a lot of implication, a lot more than just putting things in boxes. When you go to any store, all the goods comes in those. All of them are boxed in a certain standard manner.
What we do and what we excel at is solutions for this end-of-line corrugated box. And depending on what kind of products you have, depending on what your process is like, you need a variety of solutions. And we have a depth of machinery solutions that we can piece together to meet your objective. Earning your business by putting that first system in there is really important to us.
The end user, when at the end of the day, they want efficiency. They want a return on their investment. Now, the best solution could come in many different forms. It could come in a machine that can automate and reduce the labor that they have on that line and reposition that labor elsewhere in the plant.
Wexxar Bel is the overarching company that we manufacture under. The brands themselves, the Bel line of sealers, deals primarily with case sealing. Wexxar's focus is really case erecting, the standard box. And then IPAC's focus is really tray forming, which is its own unique sort of skill set.
Our case erector are the ones that are most user and operator friendly, well-developed user instruction, human-machine interface is the most reliable machine you could get. We use this pin and dome technology that also uses the least amount of energy. We also have a very large software team that incorporates artificial intelligence. Whoever uses our new generation of machine will be at an advantage compared to their competitor. And we are very proud of that.
At Wexxar Packaging, we have service technicians across North America, based in every region. We also have a distribution network larger than any of our competitors. A requirement to be one of our distributors is to have at least one factory-trained service technician. So any given city, major city in North America, we will have several factory-certified technicians available on short notice to get you back up and running should you have any problems with our equipment.
We really do strive to be like the best at what we do. Business is personal. And so for us, we take our jobs very personally to just try to achieve the best solution for the end user and be a resource to those people.